Hi everyone, my name is Catrina with Windsor Eats, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a Manhattan. The ingredients for this drink are rye whiskey, sweet vermouth, Angostura bitters, orange, and maraschino cherries to garnish. And the tools you're going to need are mixing glass, bar spoon, jigger, and knife, just to cut the peel off that orange. Now, we're going to start with filling our mixing glass with ice, which I've already done that. And then we're going to pick up our rye whiskey. There we go. And to help you remember how much of each ingredient you're going to put into your Manhattan, just remember 2-1-2, okay? 2 ounces of rye whiskey to 1 ounce of sweet vermouth to 2 dashes of Angostura bitters. So here we go. Now, if you're somebody who's looking at me right now going, "Excuse me, miss, I put bourbon in my Manhattan and not rye whiskey." Do you? That's what I say, do you? If you like bourbon in your Manhattans, then you like bourbon in your Manhattans. That's totally okay. I'm not gonna rat you out to the drink police. Keep doing you if that's what's working. Though to be more historically accurate though, you would choose a rye whiskey because at the time the Manhattan was invented, bourbon's not so popular. But again, I'm not here to judge, man. You just make a drink. All right, and you know what? Maybe 2 dashes extra for luck. You know, I don't know what kind of day you've had. Maybe it's a good one, maybe it's a bad one. Maybe you need a little extra whiskey in your Manhattan. You go for it. You go for it. All right, so now 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. There we go. Cap that guy up. And now on to our Angostura bitters. 2 dashes there, right? Keeping up with that 2-1-2. 1, 2. Done. And then we're going to take our bar spoon here and just give it a stir. All right. Now, usually when I do this, I count to 40. Why? I have no idea. One day I was bartending and 40 just seemed like a good number. So here we are. And since I was talking, I lost count, so I have no idea what number we're at. Let's call it 38, 39, 40. There we go. We're gonna cap this back up because we're gonna get ready to strain. I'm just gonna take a rocks glass here and 2 chunks of ice. Now the ice I'm grabbing here is actually just ice from an ice tray in my freezer. Now we all have the same ice tray in our freezer, right? Pretty much. These are already pretty big on their own. Are you gonna get massive amounts of dilution right off the top? No, not really. So if you don't have one of those big cube ice makers, don't fret. You're gonna be okay. All right, so we're gonna strain the Manhattan into the glass here. All right, and I've already cut a peel off the orange. And what we're gonna do now is just squeeze it pith side facing you. So the white side facing you, just squeeze that over the top here. And what this is gonna do is release the oils that are in the skin of the orange into the drink. And you can even give it a little wipe across, okay? And then if you wanted to, you can garnish just with that orange peel. If you like maraschino cherries, go ahead, make yourself a little skewer, toss that in there as well. And yeah, there we are, Manhattan. Oh, that's good. Oh, surprised myself there. All right, well, I'm Catrina for Windsor Eats. If you want to see more of these videos, go ahead, hit that follow, hit that subscribe, wherever you're watching this video. Keep following along to see more. Talk to you later. Cheers.